I owe you guys an update on this LENR project right here. I've actually been working on it behind the scenes and not making videos for a few weeks now. So let me show you where we're at. This is the best view we're gonna be able to get right now into that port because I don't have a macro lens for my D5600 Nikon camera. So let's hit this thing with 340,400 hertz right now. Do you see that? There's definitely noticeable changes in there, and we do not have a stable sonoluminescence yet. But what I can see when I look very closely is there's weird stuff going on there. There's definitely harmonics, there's definitely pockets of rarefaction. There's a lot of stuff going on. But I still want to get some sort of pure, stable sonoluminescence. Let's go ahead and e-stop this. You'll also notice the air bubble right there on top of the port. That's not great, but it's not the end of the world either because the system does have some air pockets in it. Here's where I'm at in my mind as far as fighting air pockets. Some of the other sonoluminescence videos where they have a glass flask with the acoustic piezos on the side, they're open to air and you still get stable sonoluminescence, single bubble or double bubble, things like that inside that sphere. So if it's okay that those glass flasks are exposed to atmosphere, it should be okay that we have a little bubble in our reactor. Yes, I want to get rid of the bubble, but at the same time, maybe the bubble is good so you have a little bit of extra head gas as a buffer near that main sphere. It's like adding a little tiny capacitor, let's say, in a circuit. Another little anomaly here, my sensor cracked off. So clearly there's enough acoustic energy in there to crack my acrylic. Now, yes, this is acrylic. It wouldn't stand up to high temperatures that we want to eventually get to pull a steam loop. But still, I was hoping to get through this first prototype with this photodiode so that we could detect some bremsstrahlung or any sort of large photon activity coming off of it. So what I did is I replaced this with just an LED because what I'm realizing is I need to be able to see against like a backlight so I can look for bubbles in the first place as I perfect this thing and dial in resonance. I think resonance or not, I need to start building up the neutron shield again just to protect myself. I've been doing a lot of research into the LENR topic, and an individual named Bob Grenier has come up. I've watched a lot of his content. A lot of you have, said, hey, watch his stuff, right? So I've taken that into account. He's got the craziest ideas that make the most sense out of anybody I've ever heard on this topic. So check him out. Who knows, maybe there's small wormholes and toroidal moments that would happen in here. It means that there might not be neutrons and we still might have this low energy fusion-esque type of thing going on. Last thing to mention before we do any remachining, I'm going to zero in my RP2040's PWM module around that 340K hertz range. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. There will be more to come, I promise. Adios.